Projection Switcher is a new Blender add-on. It works great with hard ops and box cutter. You can use it through its panel, and shortcuts also. Let's assume you want to use a tileable PBR material from an existing material library. Usually PBR materials using UV coordinates by default, so they won't work with live Boolean geometry. Changing the nodes one by one is a tedious process, and you have to do it at every material change through every node. Not to mention the pain to turn them back after the concepting, when you have applied the modifiers and start to use real UVs. Here comes Projection Switcher into the picture. It can do three things for you. First, it is a one-button solution to switch from UV projection to blended box mapping through the whole PBR shader chain. This works with the standard PBR node setups nicely, so helps you quickly try out different materials in your concepting sessions. Second, it gives you an interactive way to scale your texture maps right in the viewport. And again, you can use the end panel controls, or the very convenient shortcuts of the add-on. You have greater steps and finer steps also. You can see the actual texture scale in the bottom right corner of the viewport. To switch between projections, just press Ctrl-Alt/ on the numpad. To increase or decrease the scale in bigger steps, just use the Ctrl-Alt middle mouse wheel. To fine-tune the scale, just use the Ctrl-Alt-Shift middle mouse wheel. And third, it has a physical scale system, which means you can scale your object, but the frequency of your details remains the same. Please support the development with your purchase. It helps a lot. The add-on is available under this link in the video description below. Check out Object Loader add-on also. It's a tiny handy tool. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. See you next time.